Wondering how to create a link that takes your viewers to an automatic subscription page? Stick around. I'm going to teach you how to get that link and code it perfectly so that when people click on it, it prompts them to subscribe to your channel instantly. My name is Mandy Sommers, and for the best YouTube beginner advice, click the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified every single time I upload a brand new video on YouTube. So if you're just starting out on YouTube, you might not know that there is a way to get a link so that when people click on it, it pops up a brand new page that says subscribe right in the center of the page. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to get this link so that you can get more subscribers more effectively. This is the code that all big YouTubers use. They put this link in their description and also in a lot of their media that they send out so that people can automatically click a link and get to the subscribe page without having to find that little red button. Stick around to the end and I'll teach you how to download my free YouTube for Influencers checklist. You're definitely going to want this checklist. So this is a very quick and easy process. What you need to do is get your YouTube channel link, and then you're going to add to the end of your channel link this code that you can see on the screen. I will include this code in the description below. When you add this to the end of your YouTube channel, it will automatically, when it gets clicked, send people to a page that will prompt them to subscribe. Now, this is super important because as we go through and we're trying to grow our channel, a lot of times people don't think to click that red button that's right underneath our video. And we want to capture our viewers and so that they can watch more of our content and we can share our knowledge and information with them. I would love to hear all about your channel, so let us know what your channel is all about in the comments below, and we can give your channel some love and some attention. So now you know exactly how to create a custom subscription link for your YouTube channel. I highly recommend getting this done today, putting it in either a note or somewhere in your computer where you have quick access to it so that when you share your channel, you don't have to go through and recode it. If you like this video, make sure to check out this video here that will teach you how to make amazing end screens that can then drive people to stay on your channel and continue to watch some of your other content. Also, if you're interested, you can join our Facebook group of YouTube for Influencers, where we like to collaborate and share our videos on our channel and get ideas from one another and help each other to grow. That link is in the description below. Remember, the world needs to hear your voice because you are unique. You have a special message and a special story that no one else can share. So stick with it, stay consistent, and we look forward to seeing your channel blossom and grow.